Right, cool. So, can everyone see this?
Yes.
Okay, so Jude loved it. Okay, this is my feet. This is my ghetto staying desk. Isn't that so cool? Look, I got plastic keyboard, toilet paper, sponsored by Bounty, Urban Outfitters box, my laptop, and here's me. Cool, right? So this is my apartment. Ooh, if you guys want to see some fun stuff. This is my, I don't know what you guys set up. This is my water bottle, my coffee and stuff like that. Okay, so think about it. So this is what the world looks like. Those are my weights there. So this is me, this is my life, this is my tiny apartment. I think my apartment is like 300 square feet. So this is my life. So there's a freaking quadrillion things. Ooh, my buddy Stoicho actually recommended me this keyboard. I didn't tell me yet, but I actually bought it. This is a very good keyboard, right? So, you know, here's my camera, right? Ooh, this is, yo, I feel like we're going to Inception mode right now. So, can everyone see my POV? Cool. So let's say I see this beautiful keyboard. There's like a quadrillion different ways I could photograph it. I could photograph it like this. I could shoot it like this. I could put my foot in the frame. Dude, isn't this kind of cool, guys? Yeah, I feel like I'm interviewing something. So,
What is going on?
or I could get into like uber macro mode, right? And I could photograph like just the keys, right? Oh yeah, can you bring over the flower? Cindy's giving a good example. Okay, so you guys also want to know my new hobby? My new hobby is stealing flowers. Yeah, my favorite price? $3.99. So let's say I got a flower, right? So I could either use my Ricoh, I could do this in macro mode, I could change the exposure compensation. You could really, dude, this is kind of cool, guys, right? And then so I could take all these big bunch of pictures, and then I could look through all the different versions of the photos I shot, whatever. Right?
What?
So taking it back here, there's like a quadrillion ways that I could photograph this, right? I could either photograph it like here. The downside is if I photograph it like this, then the downside is you have all this crap here, right? So that's all ugly. So in an optimal world, I'd photograph with something like this, or I would get super duper close and photograph with something like this. So like maybe, ooh, that's kind of cool. Has anyone ever looked at a flower this close? It's kind of weird, right? Weird. Look at that. So that's probably a much more interesting photo than that, because now we could see these nice, lovely details. And talking about cross-pollination, so if you guys have ever used an iPad, an iPhone, and stuff like that, yeah, so Neil mentioned that's only possible because of the innovations of the camera. I like the style of taking a bad photo, manually directing the viewer's attention. Cool. And also, you guys could talk too. You just unmute yourselves and just feel free to interrupt. Right. So the cool thing with I found with iPhone, iPad, Android device, whatever, is there's like a quadrillion different things that we could do with photos, right? So some of you guys have sent me your lovely pictures that I'll get to in a second. Ooh, this one's cool too, right? So, but there's so many different things we could do with photography. So first and foremost, one technique I like to do, you could do this on the Android, you could do this on your iPad, whatever, your iPhone. Do a screenshot by pressing the home button and the power button at the same time. Screenshot. And then you can start to trace all these weird details of whatever you're photographing. And then actually one of the best ways to study composition is to just look at nature. Because if I'm a plant, I want to be pollinated by a bee, right? So it's somehow figured out via evolution, hopefully there's no anti-evolution people here. It's figured out via evolution what is the optimal colors to attract a bee. And it looks like it's a combination of orange, yellow, and blue all next to each other.